Okay, in this video, I'll teach you how to solve age problem. But first, let me give you some tips on how to set up an equation, no? Kasi ito yung madalas nagiging problema ng mga bata. Okay, so if we denote the present age of Kuya by X and the present age of Bunso by Y, so how do we write in symbols the following statements, no? So let us take the first one. Kuya is 5 years older than Bunso. So paano natin susulat yon? So let us first write our X and Y, no? Now, saan natin ilalagay yung 5 years older? Kanino natin bibigay yung plus 5? Kay Kuya o kay Bunso? Sino ba ang mas bata? Siyempre, kay Bunso natin ilalagay. Kasi kung kay Kuya mo yan ilalagay, mas lalong lalaki yung lamang niya. Di ba? Okay, so the second one is the sum of their ages is 25. So this one is simple, no? Just follow the phrase word for word. Sum is 25, so x plus y is equal to 25, no? It's as simple as that. Okay? Now, how about the third one? Here, the order of operation is very important, no? Because we're talking about difference here. Sino ngayon ang mauuna? Si X ba o si Y? Is it X minus Y or Y minus X, no? Since Kuya is older, dapat mauna siya, no? Otherwise, magiging negative yung ating difference, right? So, it should be X minus Y is equal to 7, okay? Remember, dapat yung mas malaki o mas matanda ang mauuna, okay? Now, how about the fourth one? Kuya is twice as old as Bunso. Oh, this one is also easy, no? O, kanino natin ibibigay yung times 2? Because twice means times 2, no? Of course, doon sa mas bata, okay? Para maka-equal siya doon sa age nung matanda, okay? Oh, now, the last one is Bunso is 1/5 Kuya's age. This one is also easy. Let us first write our X and Y. Kanino natin ilalagay ang 1/5? Well, here you can just follow the statement word for word, no? If Bunso is 1/5 Kuya's age, then since Bunso is Y, then Y is equal to 1/5 of X, diba? So kay X natin ilalagay ang 1/5, okay? And that's it, no? So I hope nakatulong tong ating mga tips. So maybe we are now ready to solve problems involving age, okay? Okay, so let us see if we can apply yung mga tips na binigay ko sa inyo. Let us take the first problem. A boy is 10 years older than his brother. In 4 years, he will be twice as old as his brother. Find the present age of each, okay? Now, constructing a table is very useful in solving age problem, okay? That is why I made a table in advance. But how do you construct the table? Okay? In the first column, of course, nandiyan yung mga bida natin, no? The boy and the brother. Now, for the second column, we have the present age. Kasi yan ang tinatanong. And for the third column, we have the age 4 years from now. No, bakit kailangan natin ng column para dyan? Kasi it was mentioned in the problem. Okay? So, let us represent the age of the boy by X and the brother by Y. Since we are using system of equations here, we need two variables, okay? Now, if the age of the boy is X, then his age 4 years from now would be X plus 4, diba? And the age of the brother would be Y plus 4 kasi advance yan, okay? 4 years from now. Let us now construct the equation. What would be our first equation? Our first equation would be the first statement in the problem. A boy is 10 years older than the brother. So, paano natin isusulat yon? So, kagaya ng tips ko, no? Lagay muna natin yung X and Y. And then, kanino natin ilalagay yung plus 10? Since 10 years older ang boy. Siyempre, kay brother, no? Why? Kasi mas bata siya. Okay? So, kung sino mas bata, doon natin ilalagay yung plus para maging equal na yung age nila. Okay? I hope that is clear, no? That would be our equation 1. Now, for the equation 2, doon tayo sa second statement, no? In 4 years, he will be twice as old as his brother. So, doon tayo sa third column, no? Yung x plus 4 and y plus 4. Okay? Kasi yun ang binabanggit sa problem for the second statement. So, lagay muna natin x plus 4 and then y plus 4. So, sa kanino natin ilalagay ang times 2? Since twice means times 2, hindi ba? O, kanino natin ilalagay? Sa bata o sa matanda? O, di ba? Dapat sa mas bata, no? Okay? So, we have to multiply y plus 4 by 2, no? Kasi yan yung brother, yan yung mas bata. Okay, so that would be our equation 2. Now, let us simplify equation 2. So, we have x plus 4 is equal to 2y plus 8. Okay? Now, we have several ways of solving system of equations, no? We have substitution method, elimination, we are doing graphing, or by using determinants. But since x is already isolated in equation 1, the substitution method would be easier, no? So let us substitute x equals y plus 10 to the second equation. We have y plus 10 plus 4 is equal to 2y plus 8. Okay? And then we transpose 2y to the other side. Y minus 2y is equal to transpose 10 and 4. So that's negative 10 and 4 plus 8. Or you can combine 10 and 4 first before transposing. Okay? So y minus 2y is negative y. That is equal to negative 14 plus 8. Or negative y is equal to negative 6. Then divide both sides by negative 1. So we get y is equal to 6. Okay? So that would be the age of the brother, no? Now to solve for the age of the boy, we use equation 1, x is equal to y plus 10. Just substitute the value of y. So x is equal to 6 plus 10 or 16. Okay? So that is the age of the boy. Okay, now let us check our solution, no? Paano natin i-check kung tama itong ating solution? So, their present ages are, for the brother we have 6 and for the boy we have 16. Now, the age of the boy 4 years from now would be, diba, 16 plus 4 would be 20. And the age of the brother would be 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, which implies that our solution is correct. Kasi ang sabi sa problem, in 4 years, the boy will be twice as old as the brother. Okay? Okay, let's have the second problem. The sum of the ages of Narda and Ding is 40. 10 years from now, Narda will be twice as old as Ding. What are their present ages? Okay, so we have Narda and Ding. Let us denote the present age of Narda by X and the age of Ding by y. Of course, Narda's age 10 years from now would be x plus 10 and Ding's age would be y plus 10. So let us now construct the first equation by using the first statement, no? Ang sum daw ng age nila ay 40. So how do we write that in symbol? Di ba naaral natin yan? We just follow the statement word for word. X plus y is equal to 40. So, ganun lang kadali, no? So, that would be our equation 1. Now, for equation 2, we use the second statement. 10 years from now, Narda will be twice as old as Ding. So, we use the third column. Sulat lang natin, x plus 10, and then y plus 10. O, now, kanino natin ibibigay ang times 2, no? Since twice means times 2. Sa matanda o sa bata? Siyempre sa bata. Di ba sabi natin kung sino mas bata, doon natin ilalagay yung mga times 2 at saka mga plus para maging equal na yung kanilang age. Okay? So this would be our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. Now let us simplify equation 2, no? So we have x plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20. Didistribute lang natin, okay? Now, let us transform the equation 2 into standard form. We have x minus 2y is equal to 20 minus 10. Kasi gagamitin natin dito ay elimination, no? Yun ang gagamitin natin this time. Okay. So, let us rewrite the first and second equation. We have x plus y is equal to 40 and x minus 2y is equal to 10. Oh, now, to eliminate the variable x, kasi mas madali siyang i-eliminate, we have to multiply both sides by negative 1, no? So that pag inad natin, matanggal na si x. So that's negative x minus y equals negative 40. Okay, now second equation, rewrite lang, x minus 2y equals 10. And then we add the two equations. X is eliminated. So we have negative y minus 2y is negative 3y. Negative 40 plus 10 is negative 30. And then divide both sides by negative 3. So y is equal to 10. So that would be the age of Ding, no? Now to solve for Narda's age, we use equation 1, x plus y equals 40. Just substitute the value of y. So since y equals 10, x plus 10 is equal to 40. Or x is equal to 40 minus 10 or 30, no? Oh, now again, let us check if our solutions are correct. So 10 years from now, Narda's age would be 30 plus 10 or 40. And Ding's age would be 10 plus 10 or 20, which implies that Narda's age will be twice as old as Ding 10 years from now. Okay? Okay, last problem. A father is 5 times as old as his son. 2 years ago, the father was 7 times as old as his son. How old is the son and how old is the father now? Okay, by making a table, let us now represent the father's age by x and the age of the son by y. Now, 2 years ago, the age of the father would have been x minus 2 and the age of the son would have been y minus 2. So let us now set up the equation by using the first statement. Since the father is 5 times as old as his son, so lagay muna natin yung x and y. So kanino natin ibibigay, no? Yung times 5. Is it to the father or to the son? So sabi natin, di ba, kung sino mas bata, doon natin ibigay yung times 5 so that maging equal na yung kanilang age. Okay? Now, for the second equation, since the father was 7 times as old as his son, by using the third column, lagay natin yung x minus 2 and y minus 2. Again, kanino natin ibibigay yung times 7? Siyempre, doon sa mas bata, no? Doon sa son. Okay? So, 7 times y minus 2. Let us simplify the equation. X minus 2 is equal to 7y minus 14. Okay? Now, since x is isolated in equation 1, the method of substitution would be much easier to use, no? So let us substitute 5y to x. So we have 5y minus 2 equals 7y minus 14. Now transpose 7y to the other side. We get 5y minus 7y equals transpose 2 minus 14. Now sa 5y minus 7y is negative 2y. 2 minus 14 is negative 12. Then we divide both sides by -2. So we get y is equal to 6. So that is the age of the son. Okay. Now to get the age of the father by using equation 1. So since x is equal to 5y, x is equal to 5 times 6, or x is equal to 30. Okay. So again, let us check our solutions. So the age father 2 years ago would have been 30 minus 2 equals 28, no? And the age of the son would have been 6 minus 2, or 4. Notice that the age of the father is 7 times the old as the son, no? So tama yung sagot natin, okay?